Bitcoin in the month of January might make a dragonfly doji or a hammer candle, both bullish signals, and it'll be really wild and crazy price action throughout the rest of December into January. This is a precursor to what I'm going to cover tomorrow on Tuesday the 21st on my channel, but I'm just excited to talk about it, so check this out. This will be quick. This is the monthly chart with EMAs on. All bear markets in Bitcoin have been marked with a monthly closure closing below this red line. We know now that whales essentially were messing around with price and essentially helped price close $60 below there to create a bear trap before running price the other way. This was a pretty tricky closure. It technically closed about $60 less than that. It was a little obvious of a whale game in my opinion. However, we're doing the same thing now. So instead of getting a pattern like this, which is what I think is about ready to happen, I think this candle right here, if we can move it over to January, I think it's going to be skinnier but with also a wick, and it'll either turn into what you can see down here is a dragon or a hammer candle or a dragonfly doji. That is my prediction, and let me show you what that means on my other chart on a smaller time frame with my 30K range. Check this out. This is really neat. Watch. And then February could be really bullish. So one of my top predictions is February being bullish, and one of my other top predictions is we're gonna have to wait till September to be bullish per my origin wave theory, but I think February could be it as well. So watch this. So this month, let's mark off January 1st so I know where I'm drawing. Check this out. Watch. So I'll mark that off. All right. So Bitcoin comes down here, starts moving up, and closes the month just above that monthly 10, right? Because it's above the monthly 10 now. So by the end of the month, if it moves down and gets back to where it is now, that means on the other chart, it's above that line, right? It continues going up the very beginning of January, hits this line, this green box, somewhere around 53 to 54, heads back down rather violently, comes all the way down here, and then quickly bounces up something to this effect, and that is going to be February 1st right there. And if all of this were to happen, that on the monthly scale would create, so all of this would create a green wick down to a very skinny bodied candle, which could be green or red, but I think it's going to be a hammer or a dragonfly candle that's going to end up looking like this one right here or this one right here. And if we go back to the monthly chart, all of that I showed you on the 30K range chart on a smaller time frame, all of that would be creating is price comes down here, closes back where it is at the beginning of the month, comes up, but then heads back down, creates the green wick, comes back up, closes here, a small candle like that, and then that would be a bullish signal. And I would assume February, if this were to form, February could get really hot with a monthly closure. I mean, really all-time highs in that month. That would be a really, really bullish formation. So I'm really excited to show you this to you. So if you missed my Bitcoin analysis from today, trying to look at for a little hopium, check out this link right here to lead to a more full analysis. And also, if you want to learn how to set up a chart like mine, click this link right here. I just redid the video. I've got some really good comments on it, said it's a very good trading view tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, click this circle right here and you just got timified.